Hit you little bitch, X. Now he breaks.
Yeah,
We're a little slow here, so I'll probably have to throw some nades. Let's hope for good patterns.
Like the last kill, we had like 2 minutes left or something on the kill.
Stack bottom. Stay here. Oh, damage.
I know.
Fire nades. Good. Nice though. Whatever. Spin. There's 2 of you in party, 1 with 50. Spin. Back and forth. Out. In. Break. Stagger soon. Don't stagger now, don't stagger.
Yeah. Why not?
Stagger now. We don't want him at the edge. Damage. Triple. Counter. Here. Then here. We're going down. We're going down.
Yep.
On text. Now. It's gonna spin after. Spears.
Yes.
Out.
Back here. Sorry.
Catch. That was the first catch this fight, right?
Yeah.
Portals.
Shield.
Oh, he's here.
It's fine. Probably a spin back. Yeah.
That's
X.
I'm just nailing potion or something.
Oh, memory.
Sorry.
Go here. Then here. Stay here. Spin back probably. No, snakes.
Nailing.
Back and forth.
Second soul. Ladies up.
I got
Counter.
it.
Go Mew.
Super bad timing.
I'm going left. Actually, I'm going left.
Oh, I thought it was me doing it with the...
Watch 1, 2, come.
DPS.
Spin. We need some dark bombs out. I'm throwing one.
Okay.
Okay, he breaks.
Just about okay.
He will probably be enraged when we face
Yeah.
him. So you need to do it at around 4 stumps.
Okay.
We just need to dark nade him as much as we can here. I'm gonna dark nade when I can. Careful grab after. Oh, counter. Stuff. Spin. Back and forth. Someone else dark me.
I do.
Triple.
That's big.
Stuff. Counter. I'll dark nade.
Hey, something in there, something.
He fucks off.
That was faster than I expected.
Still do it on the 6 limb. It's normal.
Yeah.
But is safe.
Should I fire in Giga early? Or 210 probably?
It's on 210, 215.
Yeah.
Behind him. It's a spin. It's a counter. Left. Grab. Stop. It's a counter. Left. Back and forth. Counter left.
Run.
Triple. Careful grab.
Grab is Sura. You're usually
No.
Sura.
It's a counter. Counter top. It's a counter here. It's top. Stop. Spin. It's a counter 9. Top. Careful grab. Grab.
Yep.
It's a counter. No, it's a triple. It's a counter. But. Back and forth. It's a counter, but.
Nades.
Need help here maybe?
Yeah, I got nade.
Stop.
Oh, I don't have nade on cooldown.
I can do after. I don't know.
It's a counter. Right.
We grab him, guys.
Counter. Right. Grab.
Yep.
I'm nading.
It's a triple. Spin. Counter. Left. Fire in and don't die and you get the title.
I'm stuck.
Good job, boys.
Let's go!
Guys, can I say something? Can I please say something? I
Oh,
went into
yes.
that gate with 2 fucking health pots.
Oh, you idiot.